Secure Windbreaks
provide temporary or permanent weather protection and ventilation for farm buildings and stores.
They are fixed in place using a simple hook and ratchet system. If necessary, the width of the windbreak can be adjusted. Do this by marking the correct width on the ratchet side of the windbreak material. Then make a vertical incision in the sleeve and pull the webbing strap through. Thread the webbing strap into the ratchet and tighten up. Fit the windbreak in place and tighten all ratchets to secure the webbing straps. Do not over-tighten. When fitting secure windbreaks onto adjacent bays, work from right to left as viewed from the exterior of the building. Small holes are made either side of the webbing strap at the hook end of the first windbreak. There is no need to cut the material, as a pen or pencil can easily be pushed through the mesh. Push the ratchet hooks through the holes either side of the webbing sleeve and then tension the windbreak. Excess webbing should be cut off and the remainder rolled up and secured. Excess material may be folded behind and secured with cable ties around the sleeves.